Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to perform an AWS S3 Multipart upload in 5 steps. Step 1 is to split the original file in multiple parts. I'm going to split the video.mp4 file into 2 parts. Here, I'm using the split-b command to split the video.mp4 file into two 50 MB chunks. As you can see, my original file was split into 2 parts, the first part called XAA and the second part called XAB. Step 2 is to initiate a multi-part upload and retrieve the associated upload ID. Here, I'm using the AWS S3 API command with the create multi-part upload option. Specify the name of the remote S3 bucket using the bucket switch and the name of the original file using the key switch. Grab the upload ID from the output of this command and replace the upload ID variable in this file for the remaining commands. Step 3 is to upload the first part file using the AWS S3 API command with the upload part option. Use the part number switch to specify the number of the part and the body switch to specify the name of the part. Step 4 is to upload the second part file. Just make sure to use the correct part number and the name of the part in this command. For the final step to complete the multi-part upload, we need to prepare a parts.json file. Replace the etag1 and etag2 variables with the etag value of the output from the previous 2 commands. Execute the complete multi-part upload command, then head back to the S3 console. Hit the refresh button and you should see your video.mp4 file confirming that the multi-part upload was successful. Let's download this file and confirm that the size on the disk matches with the original file. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.